guys, we're looking Total Parts Pro today with 2021 Volkswagen T-Cross, stock number 6958. It's ran from the 1st 2020 to the 3rd 2024. There's a DKJA 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a DKJA 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 crease, left rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory magnet tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,